Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture on C++ programming language. We are on lecture 27. And in this lecture, we're gonna write another program in C++ using if-else statement to calculate the total salary of an employee based on the bonus. So for example, you're working in a company and it's New Year, and the company give you some bonus based on your salary. So the company gives some bonus based on the, basic salary of employees. So for example, it's New Year and they decided to give some bonus for employees to encourage them. So for example, we have a basic salary. I can write here. We have basic salary, and then I write here bonus. For example, if the salary is less than $2,000, so they give a bonus of 10%. If the salary is between 2,000 and 4,000, so they give a bonus of 15%. And if the salary is between, bigger than 4,000, so there is a, bonus of 20%. So this is, a simple, the company has decided to, based on the salary, they give you some bonus. The employees, like those employees which salary is less than 2,000, so they get a bonus of 10%, and those employees which has a salary between 2,000 and 4,000, they get a bonus of 15%, and those employees which get higher than 4,000, the salary is more than 4,000, so they get a 20% bonus for the new year. So let's write this program. So before I write this program, first you should go to your laptop, pause this video, go to your computer and write this program. Try by yourself, think about it, and try to write this program yourself without taking help from the internet or from another places or from someone else. So first you need to write by yourself, then come to this video and watch this video. So let's start it. So I include, it's our lecture 27, okay? Lecture 27. So I include IOStream library at the beginning of our program. And then we write using namespace std. And then we define our main function, integer main. So we open the curly braces and we close the curly braces. Of course, at the end of the program, we have return 0 and semicolon. So here, if we think about it, so we have to, calculate, we need to get from user the basic salary. Then we have to calculate the bonus, and then we have to calculate the total salary which an employee can get in this new year. So we need to define or declare first our variables. I define double. So I use double because it's so I use double. I'd write basic salary. Then I define another variable, bonus, and another variable, total salary. Semicolon. So we have 3 variables. So now I see out.
WhatsApp didn't find Sylvia. Who do you want to call on WhatsApp?
Oh. It was my phone, sorry. So we see out. So here we need to see out. We ask the user to enter your salary. Enter your salary. Quotation here. And then VCN. So we store that salary inside the variable basic salary. And then we have to calculate here if basic salary is less than 2000. So you open the curly braces and close the curly braces for this if. So we calculate if the employee salary is less than 2000, so we need to calculate bonus of 10%. So here we can calculate, so bonus is equal to, so we have basic salary multiplied to 0.10%. So 10% becomes 0.10. So this is the bonus. Else if, we have another condition we need to check. If the salary, the basic salary is between 2000 and 4000. So we can write, if you want to check two, so we can here, if basic salary is larger or equal to 2000, yes, and basic salary is less than or equal to 4000, then we here calculate, we open the else if block and close the else if block. So we calculate the bonus. Bonus is equal to basic salary multiply, sorry, this is the multiply to 0.15. And then else, so we calculate if it's larger 4000, so we can say bonus in the else section, bonus is equal to basic salary multiply to 20%. 0.20, and semicolon. And now we, at the end of the program, we say your total salary is, quotation, we put the total salary here. But first, before I write this, I have to print this. So I need to store the total salary inside, the variable total salary. So what I do before I print out this, so I calculate total salary. Let's add that total salary is equal to basic salary plus bonus. Yes, basic salary plus bonus. So here we calculated the bonus, and now we add that bonus to the salary. Yes, and then we see out the total salary. So I see out here, like I write total salary, quotation, and I write here, print out the total salary. Even you can print out the bonus, how much become the bonus. Then I put here end line. Yeah. So this is a program which calculates, the total salary of an employee based on the bonus. So, for example, your company in the new year, your company decided to give some bonuses to the employees based on their salary, and so we need to calculate the total, salary of the employee. So we actually define three variables: basic salary, bonus, and total salary. First, we see out enter your salary. We ask from the user to enter the salary. Then the user enters, and we store that salary inside basic salary. And then we check based on our condition, based on the salary. If the basic salary is less than 2,000, so we calculate the bonus equal to basic salary multiplied 0.10%, because we need to add 10% of bonus on that salary. Else if the basic salary is greater than or equal to 2,000 and basic salary is less than or equal to 4,000, so we calculate the bonus become basic salary multiply 0.15%, which is 15%. And else, otherwise, we calculate the bonus is equal to basic salary multiply to 20%. And at the end, inside total salary, we store basic salary plus bonus. So now we see out the total salary become, we print out the total salary. Yeah, so this is a program. This is another program we calculated, the total salary of an employee based on the bonus using else statements in C++. Now it's time to write this program in our computer. So let's go and write this program in our systems. Hello, I'm back in my computer. So let's open our IDE. We are on lecture 27. And we write another program in C++ using else statement, which is a bonus calculator. So in this program, which is explained on the whiteboard, so we declare three variables. So we declare a basic salary, a variable called basic salary, and then we declare bonus, then we declare total salary, and then we see out and we ask the user to enter your salary. So when the user enters the salary, so we see the basic salary, so and now it's time to calculate the bonus. So we check if basic salary is less than 2,000. So we calculate the bonus is equal to basic salary multiply to 0.10%. So 10% becomes 0.10. And then we check else if the basic salary is greater than or equal to 2,000 and basic salary is not less than 5,000, it's 4,000, less than or equal to 4,000. So we calculate the bonus become basic salary multiplied to 0.15, which is 15%, and then else bonus equal to basic salary multiply 0.20%. So now what we can do, see out, so now we calculate first total salary, so basic salary plus bonus, so it become our total salary, and then we see out first we see out bonus, and then we see out the total salary. So this is a program which calculates, the bonus and the total salary of the user based on that bonus. So we first declare three variables: basic salary, bonus, and total salary, and the type is double because we need to be exact. So then we see out enter your salary. We ask the user to enter the salary. When they enters, the salary from this keyboard, we store that salary inside the basic salary variable. And then we check if basic salary is, smaller than 2000. So the bonus should be, basic salary multiplied to 0.110, which become 10%. We calculate the 10% bonus based on the salary. And then if the basic salary is, greater than or equal to 2000 and less than or smaller than or equal to 4000, so we calculate those employee which has salary between 2000 and 4000, so the bonus should be 15%. And those employee which receive more than 4000, so the bonus should be 20%. Then we calculate the total salary. We add the basic salary plus bonus, and then we see out the bonus as well as we see out the total salary. So let's run our program. So I write here, the salary is 1500. So it says bonus is 150 and total salary is 100. After, adding the bonus, it became $1,650. So if we enter another number like 5,000, then it says, the bonus is 1,000 and the total salary is 6,000, and which is become 20%. So if we enter like 2,500, and then we see the bonuses become $375 and the total salary became $2,875. So this was the lecture 27th, and this was another program on C++ using if else statements. So thank you for watching this lecture. See you on the next lecture.